Alright, what's up guys? In today's video we're installing some gas pipe. Had to cut and thread, you know, the whole deal. Coming off the meter, down the wall, in, down, over. We were supplying a generator. Well, right now it's a propane generator, but it's gonna be natural gas. And then the plumbers were there, they were also installing a water heater. So we put a gas over to the water heater, gas to the furnace, gas to the generator. So, and yes, I know that black iron rusts. The customers are painting it brown to match the house, so it's all good. Stay tuned. Installing some gas pipe today. Use black iron because they're gonna paint it brown to match the house, so it won't rust. It'll be fine. Looks really good. With a beautiful view too, right on the water. I mean, this isn't a beautiful view, but if you walk down there to the left, you can see it. You can see it. All this comes out. Gotta run new gas line, new coil. What kind of pipe we laying today?
Serious black
Some
pipe.
serious black pipe. This one will not thread on. Now I have to go recut and rethread this. That side's fine. This side is not. Got the stub for it's a propane generator right now. It's gonna be natural gas. We're running gas for a furnace and the water heater. Beautiful out here. Alright guys, that does it for this video. I'm driving at literally 15 miles an hour right now, so it's safe to record this. We'll be back at that same house tomorrow to install the furnace. Right now they have an air handler with heat strips and a heat pump, and they're not satisfied with their electric bill. So we'll be back there tomorrow to install the furnace, and we have to put a new coil because the coil they have right now is way too big. But we are keeping the heat pump, so stay tuned for that. Posting around 6:30-ish tomorrow. So peace, hit the like button.